Can you tell us your name, who you help care for, and how long you've been working with a direct care worker to support them?
My name is Lily Liu.
My name is Jane Evans-Gay.
Linda.
Therese White.
Waki Alam.
Vivian Boone.
Melissa Fanning.
DeLon Smalls. I've been in the nursing field for about 13 years now, and I cared for over maybe at least 100 people by now.
I was a visiting nurse who took care of chronically ill clients and helped with their families for 11 years.
30 years.
I've been in direct care for 35 years.
I am taking care of my mother, who is experiencing Alzheimer's and dementia since 2021. I've been working with a direct care worker since 2022.
I've been taking care of my mother forever for the last 30 years, but with the direct care worker for about 3 years.
I did 24/7 hands-on caregiving for her, and it was for over 12 years.
Right now, I'm working with a home health agency who I worked with 2 years prior. They were so good, I wanted them back.
I have been a family care provider for my mother when I was relatively young, my father-in-law, my mother-in-law, my aunt, her partner, and then several friends, helping many friends who are dealing with their parents' Alzheimer's, dementia, and decline health-wise.
Wow, a whole lifetime of caregiving. Yes. Our first question here is, what comes to mind when you hear the term shared care, if anything?
I don't think too much comes to my mind when they say something about shared care, because I need to really understand their definition of shared care before I can even think of something.
What do you mean by shared care? I'm asking you that question.
Well, shared care is just the relationship between caregivers and direct care workers. So what comes to mind when you think about that kind of relationship or that kind of dynamic?
Okay, I think the professional caregivers, they're very good. The only challenge that I feel with them is the coordination and making sure they will be there on time, because I still work.
I was still working. So in order to be able to work, I had to hire someone who would be here caring for her while I was away at work. So it was an absolute necessity and definitely a model of teamwork.
Teamwork, somewhat of a team working together to help you take care of a loved one.
What comes to mind when you hear the term shared care, if anything?
When one person help another person, and just caring for them. Shared care.
Shared care, in my mind, has been rather a frustration as the caregiver. When I was the caregiver, either the idea of either not having a mutual goal or idea of where we were headed, and then sometimes lack of communication at critical times when it was needed.
It's not just the on hand one type of person dealing with something by themselves. It's more of a community thing.